Good morning. So, first of all, I'm sorry for my voice. I am pretty sick. My kids gave me a horrible cold and I do not feel well, so I'm sorry for how awful I sound. So, the question was how did Joe get the 2.17 as his critical value? So, he was using the TI calculator. And there's an inverse norm function on the calculator that gets him the critical value for a certain level of confidence. We can use StatCrunch. So the first thing you want to do is open StatCrunch. And we're going to go to Stat, Calculators, and we're going to go down to Normal. Okay? Now, what a confidence interval does is he was finding 97% confidence. So what we want to do first of all is see how it's on standard. We want to click between. And what we want is we want 97% of the area to be in the middle of this graph. And we want to figure out what the z-score is that will get us 97% of the area in the middle. Now it is going to get you, excuse me, a negative value and a positive value. We always use the positive value in our calculations, okay? So first of all, you keep the mean as 0 and the standard deviation as 1 because we're dealing with the normal curve, okay? What we're going to do is we're going to put 0.97 right over here where the area is computed. So we're going to put 0.97. And as you can see here, we now have 97% of the area in the middle, and it's giving us two values where that encompasses 97% of our area, and we have negative 2.1701 and positive 2.1701. Now he's rounding off to the hundredths place, which is what we normally do for z-scores. So we would just round it to 2.17 because next to the 7 is a 0, so we stay the same in the hundredths place. So I hope that helps. I'm sorry. So if you wanted to get, for example, 95% confidence, you would just change your value and you would get negative 1.96 and positive 1.96. And again, you'd use the 1.96 over here. You could do 80% confidence and you have your z-score. So it's a really easy way to get your z-score. Let me know if you have any more questions on that. That was a great question. Have a great day.